Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to change column name, also known as headers in Google Sheet. So let's get started. The easiest way is to simply click on the cell containing the column name, usually in the first row, but here as you can see, it includes in third row. And click on the cell where you want to change the name. Now start typing your new name, for example, day of the month. And when you are done typing, press enter. You can also double click a cell to edit. Make sure your column names are descriptive and easy to understand. Consider using consistent capitalization and spacing, and that's how you change your column names in Google Sheet. So if this felt helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips. Thank you.